morning everyone. So it is the 8th of December, so it is day 8 of the Charlie's Advent calendars. So this is the nail art one, so I'm just going to do as I've done with every other one, just jump straight in and we shall have a look together. Oh, we got some reindeer charms. How cute are they? Oh my lord, look how cute they are. Wow. And they're straight back, but how cute are they? So I won't be using these today obviously, but wow, they're super cute. I will post pictures of them at the end. Okay, so let's have a look what the new glitter is, which is going to be available. Ready? Ooh, silver triangles. Wow. Oh wow, they are amazing. So I will just do like just a random colour and just put these on, but wow. Ooh. Right, I will quickly do that and then I shall be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got the reindeers out just to show you the detail on them. The detail on them is really good. Oh. There's a lot of detail on them, a lot. They are really nice. I think I'm gonna have to go on the website myself and get some of these, pick up some more. So that is the reindeers, and then this was the glitter mix for today. So it was hollow triangles. Wow, now they are definitely holographic. So they are silver triangles. Wow, it's amazing. And then this is the thing I came up with them. Yeah, I don't know, I was just messing about with them and I decided to do it over black. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't know, I just was just messing around with them, just yeah. But they are super holographic. Look at them. Wow. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on today's goodies. And yeah, we should be going over to buy any, because I know I will be. I will probably get, actually I think I'll buy extra of these two actually. Definitely the triangles and a couple more of these, because they are really small, so they'd be ideal, especially for my nails. Ideal. Well, I will post some pictures at the end. Don't forget, if you do place an order from Charlie's, don't forget my discount code. It's always down below anyway. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. Please give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I will hopefully see you tomorrow. I will post some pictures at the end. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.